So people, don't remember how Raj tell Romeich he want a Bugatti for his birthday? Well, Romeich come true, people. Him get it. So, we have the full details coming right up.
You made a wish?
No.
You didn't?
No.
What?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so Raj's new name is Bugatti Boss, you know what I mean? I give him that name there. So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Yeah, so when you see how the man I live, you see the man cake and everything, Bugatti, everything, you see what I say? So when you hear the man tell Romeich, say, him want a Bugatti for his birthday. So you know what I mean? Romeich, I go make sure so the boss get where him want, right? But people, before me leading it down the wrong lane still, me I go show you what go on, like, you know what I mean, the actual Bugatti that Romeich got for him. So me I go show you that, and then me I go show you the video when Romeich actually bring it to him. So here goes the video.
Yo, people, see it here now, just landing now. Just reaching at the car wash, you know. See there at the car wash. That shine on for Raj for his birthday, you know. See there? I want a Bugatti!
Yeah, people, so I hope nobody that really thinks it was a full-size car, right? Because I'm only 5-year-old. So Romeich did buy this for him. And now me I go show you when him carry it to him, when him deliver it. So here goes the video.
Hey! Going for a walk. Hi, that's Bugatti! Can I open the door?
Just jump in.
Okay.
I dropped that wide.
Press the start button. Press the red button.
Where is the red button?
See it here? Yeah, use it on there. Use it on there. Use it on there. You have to wait till it starts up. Yes. Yeah, it can drive by itself. Yeah, it drive by itself.
Oh yeah, drive it, Philip.
You got your Bugatti. Look quite pretty. Jesus Christ.
And we don't know, so yesterday Raj get the drum set from his mother, right? So in addition now, him get the Bugatti that he wanted, and him look quite happy, you know what I mean? And now take the man thing normal enough, people. The man thing have remote control, can all drive by itself and all of that. Me I go show you that in a second. You see me? But people, me just glad for see Romeich find a way of make him actually get what he wanted. Like, you know, the whole time I watch the video, me I take it for granted and I say, Rad say one Bugatti and blah blah. You know what I mean? Me I think about it and I say, no, what I talk about. But Romeich actually make this happen. How can you not respect that? You see what I say? Well, people, let's take a look at Raj enjoying his new Bugatti. Here goes.
Hey, now rub off your rims.
Whoa, it's can drive by itself?
It can drive by itself. Yeah, it drive by itself.
Oh yeah, drive it, Philip.
You got your Bugatti. Quite pretty.
Alright. You like it? Yeah, that's the remote, but drive it normal now. Oh, come out the road, baby.
Look at her.
Yeah, don't want me?
But I go music now.
Yeah, if you have a tongue drive, you can play music.
Can I play the music?
The
Yeah,
tongue
I'm going to
drive,
put it in turbo.
So you see what going to look like Bugatti Boss the road last night, you see me I say, and now you see say him and Bugatti park inside, you know what I mean? People, but this just warm my heart to see that, like I mentioned before, Romeich actually make something happen, because it never crossed my mind saying could I actually get him a toy car. But you know what I mean, Romeich being the kind of person he is and being the father figure there to him, he make it happen, you know. And the cake what them do for him, I telling the people that was a good move. I don't know when him I go finish the cake there, if it ever go finish. But you see what I said, that was just so creative of them to even make a cake that say Bugatti, and on top of it, you know what I mean, Romeich go all out and even wash the man man car before him deliver it. You see what I mean? I said, just like if you buy a brand new car for real. And that then what I do, then would I wash it before then car come give you. So when you see the boss enjoy himself, you know what I mean? Big up the Bugatti boss one more time. And happy belated birthday again, my G.
You enjoy the birthday? You enjoy the birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Tell everybody thank you for all the wishes.
Thank you for all the wishes.
Yes, so Raj definitely had a good birthday yesterday. As expected, you know, last year was the same thing. Last year, Romeich bring him a whole bag of toys and stuff. And then this year again, you know, we see him get him jump set and him get him Bugatti as he wanted. And like me saying at the video yesterday when it was his actual birthday, me like how his mother raised him up. And you know, Romeich always did it is like a father to him, and him always make sure say him get whatever him want. And not only that, but as a role model, you know, enough time we see them on road together, enough time we see them even on flights together and all these things. So people, we love to see that. And you know, him a raise up in the public eye, and him also I get introduced to the way of doing business and what him parents them into already, you know what I mean, at a tender age, cause you know he already got his deals and endorsement. And his mother make sure say she school him and teach him proper etiquette and mannerism, like you hear she tell him, so it's to tell everybody good night and tell them thanks for all the birthday wishes, right? I'm also going to show you some video where she actually teach him to read. She and him do some reading, right? Well, him can read already, but them do some reading together. And that's not the first time Mrs. Shenseea do this. Shenseea actually, you know what I mean, like homeschool him during the quarantine and other times as well, right? So we are going to take a look at those clips. Here goes.
It was very late. People in here do not about this fire, but they are all sleeping. Ask. All you have to do is be good all of the time, said the cats. Not for smart cats or a smart dog like you, said the cat. Huh? What you doing?
Continue.
How can I be a teacher? My dog they saw. They did not like poop. They ran into a hardware store as fast as they could, in on the boxes. When my dog began to bark, their tails got stiff. But when they took a good look at my dog, they did not like what.
So big up the Bugatti boss on him birthday one more time. Like me say that me I call him. I don't know how long me I call him that for, but you know, I just find it of name fitting to him. So big up Raj on his birthday one more time, right? And big up his mom, big up Romeich for carrying his gift, and big up whosoever be at the cake also. You see what I say? It's a good look. So people, that is the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody, thank you for watching. Big up on yourself and have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there and make sure not always do the right thing. You see what I say? Each one teach one, and look out for the person left and right of you, all right?
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,